Alright, so here's update number 3 on the bike. Since I last shot the updates videos for you guys, we didn't have a fuel pump and we were having a white smoke issue. Since then, I got the new fuel pump in, I have fired it up, and still the white smoke issue. So it wasn't the pump, it wasn't the regulator on the pump causing that issue. As you know, I tested everything else with the fuel system, so I knew that had to be the issue, or it had the power commander. Hit the road, dude. On the second startup, well, it'd be third startup, second startup with this new pump, and my smoke issue instantly went away, and it sounded a million times better. So after that, I was getting ready to ride it, test ride it, but with how this kid treated this bike, I definitely wanted to go through the cooling system as well. And that's where I found problem number 2. I'll include that in a video right here for you. That's looking promising. That looks like that stop leak. That's a bad day. You can see that is block seal, copper block seal. People put that stuff in there when they are seeing white smoke, overheating, issues like that. You put that in there if you're a little turd and you don't know how to put a head gasket on. Most of the time. Some people might put it on there for a pinhole leak here, whatever. But that's my first thought, is probably bad head gasket. So I flush all the copper seal out. And I have the hopes that he's, blaming the white smoke on a head gasket. It took me probably 12 times to get all that copper seal out of there and do a leak down test across all 4. They all come back good. It doesn't smoke anymore. It doesn't run hot. I've sit it in here for 45 minutes and let it hit its temps and the fan cool it off. Hit temps. Everything's good. I've rode it. I've probably put, 20 miles so far on it. No overheating issues and no smoking issues. So that is pretty much everything I've done so far. All right, so here's update.